All right, guys. Next up, we got Tommy. Here's going to do 2 boxes of 2016 Bowman Draft Jumbo Baseball. 3 autos per box out of this stuff. Good luck, man. Jamie Martinez, refractor. Chipper Jones, draft history. Base. Come on, color. Matt Manning, Blue Wave autograph. It's numbered 87 of 150. Not bad start. Anthony Greer, blue, and then we got a Ahmed Rosario to 250, purple. Autograph, Jesus Luzardo to 499, Nats. Billy McKinney. Oh, Schaefer's texting me right now. He says if anybody wants to do National Treasures Racing on a case, draft hits, he's all over it. I'm going to let him know. TJ Zuch, $4.99. And autograph of Tim Lynch, Yankees. Rafael Devers, blue. Reggie Jackson draft history. Paper blue, Kyle Hart, 150, and green, Jomar Reyes to 99. DeYoung Fantasy Impact. Yeah, if you guys want a group break vault, I got no problem doing that. Drew Harrington green paper to 99. Honeywell refractor in our last pack, box 1. There's Mickey Moniak, base chrome. All right, solid first box. Numero dos. DJ Peters, and blue refractor of Mikey York to 150. Jordan Sheffield, base autograph, Dodgers. Solid. Austin Meadows, Fantasy Impact. Paper blue, Rafael Devers, 150. Gold. Very nice. Jordan Sheffield. Gold refractor autograph. Sweet, man. It was 19 of 50. Ain't bad. Nomar, draft history. Jackson. Definitely good color. Faux show. And Kyle Mueller. Refractor autograph to $4.99. Jake Rogers, Sapphire. Kevin Biggio to $4.99 paper. Phil Bickford. Purple to $2.50. Mason Thompson to $4.99. And our last pack. Is base. All right, buddy. Not too shabby. Nice hits on the blue and the gold auto. Get it out ASAP, man.